The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department. The Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department has requested the activation of an Amber Alert from Indianapolis, Indiana. The victims are Dylan Dempsey, an 8-year-old black male, 4 feet 2 inches tall, 55 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, and last seen wearing a white Champion t-shirt with gray basketball shorts. Dayton Dempsey, a 4-year-old black male, 3 feet 11 inches tall, 42 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, and last seen wearing a graphic t-shirt. And Ella Sanders, a 3-year-old black female, 2 feet 10 inches tall, 30 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, and last seen wearing a long-sleeve black shirt. Dylan, Dayton and Ella were last seen on Monday, August 14, 2023 at 10 a.m. in Indianapolis, Indiana, and are believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect, Kevin Lamar Dempsey, is a 39-year-old black male, 6 feet 1 inch tall, 165 pounds, black hair with brown eyes, and driving a red 2014 Ford Mustang convertible with Indiana plate Kevin 5. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department at 317-327-6541 or 911.
A few moments later.
Time and all of this money, all of these sorries I don't owe you, honey. All of these miles on this Chevy and prayers in a pew, all them days I spent wasted on you.
Amber Alert 003-2023 issued on August 14, 2023 on Dylan Dempsey, Dayton Dempsey and Ella Sanders has been canceled as of August 14, 2023 as requested by the investigating agency. For more information on this cancellation, please contact the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department at 317-327-6541.